I started drinking lemon water every morning thinking it was the perfect healthy habit. Fresh, simple, and refreshing. But after a few weeks, I noticed tooth sensitivity and mild stomach discomfort. That pushed me to look deeper, and what I found changed how I use it completely. Acid can affect enamel over time. Lemon juice is highly acidic. According to the Mayo Clinic, frequent exposure to acidic drinks may weaken tooth enamel. My first mistake was sipping it slowly over long periods. This increased contact time with my teeth. The fix was simple. Drink it in one go and rinse your mouth with plain water after. Avoid brushing immediately, as enamel is more sensitive right after acid exposure. Another mistake I made was drinking it on an empty stomach every single day. For some people, this can irritate the stomach lining. The National Institutes of Health notes that acidic foods may trigger discomfort in sensitive individuals. Too much acidity may irritate the stomach. Balance matters more than routine. The third mistake is using too much lemon. More is not better. Half a lemon in a glass of water is usually enough. Fourth, expecting it to detox the body. Your liver and kidneys already handle detoxification. Lemon water may support hydration, but it is not a miracle solution. A review in Advances in Nutrition highlights that hydration supports metabolic processes, but no single drink replaces a balanced diet. Fifth mistake is adding sugar or flavored syrups. This turns a healthy habit into a high-calorie drink. Sixth, ignoring your own body signals. Some people feel great with lemon water. Others may notice reflux or sensitivity. Not every habit fits every body. Moderation keeps benefits safe. Here is what worked better for me. I drink lemon water 3 to 4 times per week, not daily. I use a straw to reduce contact with teeth. I keep the amount small and balanced. I also pair it with meals instead of always taking it alone. Consult a doctor before major diet changes. Possible tooth sensitivity or reflux in some to track progress. Pay attention to digestion, teeth comfort, and hydration levels. Small, consistent changes give clearer results than extreme habits. What surprised me most was how a healthy habit can backfire when done wrong. It is not about avoiding lemon water, but using it wisely. Try small changes and observe the difference. Like and share if this helped you. Smart habits create lasting balance.